Namaste children. Day 7, chapter 5. The lesson we are already dealing, that is fundamental unit of life. So in that the new topic is cell division. This topic is not there in the old textbooks. If you are following old textbook, this topic is not there. But in new textbooks they introduce this topic. So what is cell division? It is self-explanatory. Cell division. So one cell will divide and forms into two cells. Is called a cell division. So these now from LKG to now present 9th class, if you check your body has grown height wise, weight wise, bones, everything has grown. That is because of mitosis. What is that? Mitosis. And in 8th and 9th, what happened? You reached puberty. What you reached? Puberty. So puberty is nothing but your reproductive organs will mature and start production of the gametes. Gametes are nothing but egg and sperm. Both will not produced by the same person. You know those children? Egg is produced by female and sperm is produced by male. Now, so this female and male, the production of this egg and sperm, these two are called gametes. What do you call? Gametes. So the gamete production or the gamete formation is done by meiosis. What is that? Meiosis. Now, I think I am clear up to this. Once again, cell division means as we are growing older, our body parts will develop in height and weight. That is all because of mitosis. But at the time of puberty, different changes takes place in our reproductive organs, which helps us to produce the gametes. So the gamete formation will be done by meiosis. So cell division basically two types. Now I will explain still furthermore. Is it clear? Now our cells are two types: somatic cells and germ cells. Somatic cells are other than reproductive organs. What are they? Other than reproductive organs. That means hands, legs, internal organs and external organs all comes under this somatic cells. Means the organs which are not involved in reproduction will be called as a somatic cells or the somatic organs. All the organs that which are not participating in the reproduction, like hands, legs, internal and external, will be called as the organs which are made up of cells. That cells are called somatic cells. Next, other type of cells are called germ cells. Our reproductive organs are made up of cells called germ cells. So what are the reproductive organs in male and female? Male is testis and female is ovary. You know that in 8th class you learnt this topic. Now somatic cells means our fingers, hands, legs, stomach, heart, everything will grow as we are growing older and older. So mitosis is the chromosomal number. Chromosomal number will remain same. And here germ cells will produce gametes. Testis will produce sperm. Ovary will produce egg. So the production of sperm and egg leads to other type of division, that is meiosis. Now 8th class you learned that sperm contains 23 chromosomes and egg contains 23 chromosomes. So that 23 and this 23 will fuse and again 46 chromosomed zygote will form. This you learned in 8th class. So this formation, the sperm and egg formation, means the chromosomal chromosomal number becomes half. Becomes half. Here same chromosomal number, every cell, one cell. Now our fingers are growing. Fingers are growing. Same number will maintain in each and every cell. So the same number will maintain, but what happens in the testis and ovary? Special division takes place, which is called as a meiosis, which helps in the formation of gametes. So what I can write here, second point. Did you understand first point? The chromosomal number remain same. Just the number of cells will increase, that's all. But chromosomal number will not increase or decrease. Here the chromosomal number will become half. Clear? It takes place in somatic cells. It takes place in somatic cells. Here it takes place in germ cells. Then what is the third point here? What is the function of mitosis? Helps us to grow and develop. It helps in growth and development. But here, what for it is useful? Production of germs. Production of germ cells. Production of germ cells are what you can call gametes. They help in the formation of gametes, which helps in reproduction. So gametes will help in reproduction. So basically, what are the two types of divisions? Mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is same number. The chromosomal number will remain same. Whereas meiosis, the chromosomal number will become half. And it takes place in somatic cells, and meiosis takes place in germ cells. Germ cells are nothing but the reproductive organs. Gonads we learned, no? That one. Next, it helps in the growth and development of the individual. Here, it helps in the production of germ cells or reproduction, gamete formation. Clear? Thank you.